Good evening everyone, welcome to Spear Consulting Newsroom where we bring you latest news updates on global immigration and travel. My name is Samia Shahzad. Let's start our today's news bulletin with the headlines. A recent survey from IDP Connect has named Canada the top choice for post-secondary education for students around the globe. Manitoba invites 459 PNP candidates. The new draw brings the total number of invitations issued by Manitoba to 9,150 in 2021. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program has invited a total of 546 candidates from the EOI pool to apply for a nomination. Prince Edward Island holds second biggest PNP draw of the year. The latest draw brings the number of invitations issued this year by Prince Edward Island to 1,541. And Spear Consulting has successfully completed their 51st one-to-one immigration seminar in Karachi. These were the headlines for today. Let's move forward towards their details. A recent survey from IDP Connect has named Canada the top choice for post-secondary education for students around the globe, well ahead of the US, UK and Australia. A majority of respondents who choose Canada as a top option said that they prioritize the ability to work part-time while studying. Many others choose Canada based on affordability and cost of living. Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program invited a total of 459 immigration candidates across the provincial nominee programs. The results are as follows. Skilled workers in Manitoba invited 388 with a minimum score of 375. Skilled workers overseas invites 39 with a minimum score of 716, and international education stream invites 37 with no score requirement. Among these invitations, 94 went to candidates in the express entry system. Ontario targeted 542 individuals eligible under the master graduate and PhD graduate streams in their latest draw. Another 4 candidates were invited under the Economic Mobility Pathways project through the Employer Job Offer Foreign Worker Stream. Ontario started accepting EOI through these streams in the summer of 2021. Prior to this, the stream had operated on the first come first served basis. Application intake would open and close throughout the year and stop accepting applications when their quota was met. The latest draw brings the number of invitations issued this year by Prince Edward Island to 1,541. Prince Edward Island held its scheduled immigration draw on October 21. The Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program invited 204 immigration candidates to apply for a provincial nomination. Most of the invitations, 195, went to express entry and labor impact candidates. The remaining 9 invitations went to business impact candidates who had at least 72 points in the province's immigration system. And Spear Consulting has successfully completed their 51st one-to-one immigration seminar in Karachi. Many congratulations for Mr. Adil Ismail and whole Spear team for achieving another leading light. This was it for today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to tune in on every Monday and Thursday for fresh news updates. And please make sure to like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. This is Samia Shahzad signing off. See you in the next bulletin.